If you go to make a call on your iPhone, but every time you tap on it, it says call failed, there are a number of different things we can do to get that fixed. Now, it'll look something like this. Say you're calling your mom and it says call failed, and you can either try to call back or retry or hit cancel. Now, the first thing I would recommend doing is swiping down from the top right, toggle airplane mode on just to disconnect from your cell carrier and the towers, and then just toggle it back off to reconnect to everything and see if that fixes it. If that doesn't fix it, the next thing what we're going to do is head into the phone app itself. So open up the phone app and then go to the keypad here at the bottom right. From here, we're going to dial the code *31# and hit call. Now you'll see the setting interrogation succeeded, call line ID restriction disabled. So you want to make sure this is disabled because it could basically restrict your ability to make and receive calls. After you've done that, the next thing we'll do is go into the settings app of your phone. So open up the settings app and you'll see midway down is cellular. Just tap on the cellular option here. And we're going to do a few different things. On here, let's scroll down a little bit and you can see calls on other devices. I would toggle this off so that it doesn't accidentally call on a different device. In addition to that, Wi-Fi calling, you want to make sure to turn this on. Now keep in mind, you can use your Wi-Fi calling. Essentially, if you have bad signal wherever you are, you could use the Wi-Fi to help boost that call. So make sure to turn this on. After we've done that, we're going to try to disable the eSIM and re-enable it. So if you have an eSIM, all you need to do is toggle this line off, just like that. However, if you have a physical SIM card, you'll need to physically remove the SIM card. You can clean it off with a little cloth and then put it back in. Now, after I've done that, let's turn this line back on just by toggling it on like that. And now the line is back on. Try to make that call and see if you're able to make a call. If you're still not able to, you're going to tap on the general option towards the middle bottom here. And now from here, we're going to do two options. Scroll to the very bottom and hit shutdown. You'd be surprised how many times just turning your phone off and then back on fixes a ton of issues on your iPhone. So just turn it off and back on. If that doesn't work, tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset here and let's reset all the network settings. Basically enter the passcode in for your phone and this will allow you to reset all of your network settings, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, VPN, but most importantly, your cellular service settings. So it will just reset all of those, essentially reconnect to the towers and reset everything. And at that point, you should be able to connect your phone to the cell phone tower and make a call like normal.